2014, you stupid fucking dinosaur! Get the fuck out of here! Oh, you coming to LA?
Yeah.
Okay. Boobs is out, ooh, ass is out, ooh, hit it. Hey.
Don't do it. Don't do it. This message says, bitch, you ignoring my calls, pay for my college tuition, sis. I'm in my 4th year of medical school in London. Gonna be saving a bitch life. Wait a minute, hold on. What in the, yo, my nigga, what is happening here?
Oh my God. Imagine someone sitting home mumbling and cackling instead of paying their motherfucking bills.
Okay.
Y'all mumbling and cackling? Y'all sending group text messages about the motherfucking queen while the queen is in the motherfucking stew? While the queen is building her fucking empire bigger and better than before?
Where the guns at?
I need you peasants.
She's on one.
I need you fucking peasants.
Slow time, y'all. She's on a roll.
You fucking peasants. Pick my fucking fruit out, ho.
Which one?
The fuck you laughing at? Broke people should never laugh. Now hold on.
Wanna know what? No, I am gonna leave. An extension to the Megatron Challenge because I hate doing shit and not perfecting it. Can you guys hear me good? Big boobs. What? Child. Anyway, so. Oh, now we gotta go. Ready now? He ain't gonna catch up. Out of here. Ah! Out of here. You ain't catching up, kid. Did I lie? Did I fucking lie? My 5'2" mouth. First of all, I'm glad you said that. I'm not 5'2". I'm 5'3". I said that on the Cassie song. I was like, I'm like 5'2". My SAT scores was high too. Hello, I just said that because it rhymed. Duh. Icons and legends too. But why y'all got to lie? I just hit an Ariana Grande note, bitch.